So we're in Birdsong Creek in Tennessee. Out there is the Tennessee River. Kentucky Lake, Tennessee River combo. Turning to the right, that's my finger going that way. That's where we're going. We came in here to anchor. It's super calm.
Got stuck over there.
Well, we didn't get stuck. We just kind of rubbed. Yeah, really pretty. Yeah, so we were going to anchor right there in this little spot. And the chart said it was 20 foot deep. And all of a sudden it went to 0 and we were in the mud. And we turned the wheel and kind of just kept chugging and chugged out of the mud. But normally the chart is never that far off. 20 foot to 0. Well, 20 foot to 4 foot. So here we are. As usual, Stella has got to go poop. Stella. Oh, the fish are jumping, so. All right, we're going to take a ride.